In an era where saving the planet is no longer an option but a necessity, sustainability in business has become the new buzzword. Welcome to Digital Native AI, where we merge the latest in technology with the essentials of accounting. If you're passionate about shaping a sustainable future in business, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Today, we're delving into the exciting world of IFRS S1 and S2 standards and their implementation in SAP S4HANA. Stay until the end, as you will understand why. As we look around, it's clear that sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a business imperative. Today, businesses are not only expected to turn a profit, but also to do so responsibly, taking into account their impact on the environment and society at large. This shift is driven by an increasing demand from all corners: consumers who vote with their wallets, investors who seek sustainable returns, and regulators who demand compliance with environmental standards. These diverse stakeholders are all asking the same question: how can businesses operate in a way that is economically viable, socially responsible, and environmentally friendly? This is where the concept of sustainability in business comes in, providing a roadmap for businesses to balance these often competing objectives. So, if sustainability is the future of business, how do we measure and drive these efforts? Enter the role of accounting. Accounting isn't just about crunching numbers anymore, it's about shaping the future of our planet. The role of accounting in sustainability is becoming increasingly prominent as businesses worldwide recognize the need for responsible practices. Accounting, with its robust systems and meticulous methodology, is perfectly suited to drive and measure sustainability efforts. Picture this: it's like a compass, guiding businesses towards sustainable practices and providing precise measurements of their progress. A key aspect of this process is the adoption of sustainability standards, such as the International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS S1 and S2. These standards provide a framework for businesses to align their operations with sustainability objectives and to report on their performance transparently. Think of them as a recipe for sustainability, with accounting as the master chef diligently following each step. Now, you might be wondering, what are these IFRS S1 and S2 standards? IFRS S1 and S2 standards are not your regular accounting standards. They are the superheroes of sustainability accounting. Now let's break them down in a way that even a 5-year-old could understand. IFRS S1, also known as Sustainability General Disclosures, is all about transparency. It's like your mom checking your homework. It ensures companies aren't hiding anything when it comes to their sustainability practices. On the other hand, IFRS S2, also known as Climate-Related Disclosures, is like the weatherman for businesses. It requires companies to report on their climate-related risks and impacts, helping them prepare for future storms. So are these standards mandatory? Well, they're like a gym membership. While they're not legally required, they're highly recommended if you want to keep your business in top shape. These standards are game changers. But what benefits do they bring to the table? Implementing IFRS S1 and S2 standards is like equipping your business with a sustainability superpower. Think about it this way: these standards aren't just for show. They're a powerful tool for improving transparency and accountability, two elements that are key to sustainable business practices. By adopting these standards, you're not just ticking off a box on a compliance checklist. You're making a commitment to responsible business practices that can bring a wealth of benefits. For instance, these standards can significantly enhance decision-making. How so? Well, they provide a clear framework to capture, measure, and report sustainability-related financial information. This data can then be leveraged to make informed strategic decisions that align with your sustainability goals. Moreover, implementing these standards can build trust with stakeholders, who are increasingly demanding transparency around sustainability efforts. So, in essence, you're boosting your reputation while driving sustainability. Now that we know the benefits, how do we implement these standards in SAP S4HANA? Implementing IFRS S1 and S2 in SAP S/4HANA is like fine-tuning a high-performance engine for sustainability. Picture this: you're a mechanic and sustainability is your supercar. To get that engine humming, you need the right tools and the right approach. That's where SAP S4HANA comes into play. Configuring IFRS S1 and S2 in SAP S/4HANA involves several steps. First off, you need to configure your system to accommodate these standards. This is like setting up your garage. You wouldn't try to fix a car without a wrench, would you? For this to happen, you will need to have the right bill of materials. This includes material master data, resource and energy consumption data, supplier information, waste management data, emission data, social impact metrics, and lifecycle assessment data. Each element of the SAP bill of material plays a unique role in your sustainability narrative. By meticulously tracking and optimizing these components, you can not only comply with IFRS S1 and S2 standards, but also drive meaningful sustainability initiatives. In the SAP S4HANA system, you will need to set up the necessary ledgers, accounting principles, and valuation areas. You'll need to set up your general ledger to capture the relevant sustainability data. Next, you need to define your sustainability objectives. These are your roadmaps, your plans. They're what you're aiming for when you rev that engine. In SAP S4HANA, you'll need to define your key performance indicators, or KPIs, that align with the IFRS S1 and S2 standards. This includes integrating your environmental, social, and governance (ESG) metrics right into your financial reporting processes. Now, you're ready to start the engine. You can begin collecting data and measuring your performance against your KPIs. But remember, just like a car, your sustainability efforts need regular checkups. Monitor your performance and adjust your strategies as necessary. But what's a race without a little competition? Benchmarking is your chance to compare your performance with others in your industry. In SAP S4HANA, you can use advanced analytics to see how you stack up against the competition. Now let's talk about reporting. Reporting on your sustainability efforts is like showing off your supercar. You've done the work, now it's time to show it off. SAP S4HANA offers robust reporting capabilities, allowing you to showcase your sustainability efforts in a clear, transparent, and accurate way. Finally, don't forget the importance of continuous improvement. Just like a mechanic is always looking for ways to make a car run better, you should always be looking for ways to improve your sustainability efforts. SAP S4HANA's advanced analytics can help you identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Keep in mind, this is a journey, not a destination. There's always something more to learn, always a new way to improve. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep driving towards sustainability. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a sustainability champion. In summary, sustainability is not just a trend, it's the future of business. As we've navigated through this informational journey, we've recognized the pivotal role of accounting in driving and measuring sustainability efforts. We've also delved into the essence of IFRS S1 and S2 standards, illustrating their objectives, scope, and the fact that they are not just optional, but crucial in today's business landscape. These standards are not only beneficial, but also transformative, equipping companies to thrive in a sustainability-focused business environment. Implementing them in SAP S4HANA may seem like a daunting task, but with the right configuration steps and practical recommendations, it becomes a manageable endeavor. Moreover, accurate and transparent reporting of these standards is key to maintaining trust with stakeholders and furthering sustainability initiatives. The journey to sustainability may be complex, but it's undoubtedly rewarding. Remember, every step towards sustainability is a step towards a better future. Thank you for joining us on this journey at Digital Native AI. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Together, let's lead the change towards a more sustainable business world. So, let's get started on this journey together.